Young girl, love for prince. In ancient China, it was tradition that if a prince has to be married before he can become crowned emperor, there was a prince who was about to be crowned. So he needed to find a young woman whom he could trust and get married to. There was an old lady who used to serve at palace. When heard the news, she got sad because she knew her daughter nurtured a secret love for Prince. After getting home, she told her daughter about it. Her daughter decided that she would go to palace. Old lady got worried after knowing her decision. Old lady said to her daughter, "What will you do there? There will be all beautiful and rich girls from kingdom will be present there." Daughter replied, "Mother, I know I won't be chosen, but it's my only chance to spend time with Prince, and that makes me happy. I will go to palace tomorrow." Next day, when young girl reached palace, she saw young women from all around kingdom were present there wearing beautiful clothes and jewelry, prepared to do anything to seize this opportunity to marry Prince. In presence of all members of court and girls, Prince announced a challenge. He said, "I will give you each a seed. After 6 months' time, young woman who brings me the loveliest flower will be my wife and future empress." All girls took seed and left. Poor young girl also took her seed and planted it in a pot. She nurtured and took care of it with love. She believed that her love is true and flower will grow as large as her love for Prince. Girls saw that no shoot appeared even after 3 months have passed and nothing had grown in her pot. Young girl consulted farmers, peasants, but nothing happened. With each day, she felt that her dream had moved farther away. At last 6 months were over, and still nothing had grown in that pot. She knew she had no flower to show, still she decided to go back to palace with that pot. She reached palace on final day. On final day, all court members and girls arrived. She saw that all other candidates had wonderful results and each one had lovely flower. She was the only one holding a flowerless pot. Finally, Prince entered courtroom and inspected all candidates' pot and announced result. He chose servant's daughter, poor young girl, as his would-be wife. All other girls present there got angry and protested that she had nothing in her pot and Prince had chosen someone who had not managed to grow anything at all. Prince calmed them down and explained the reason. Prince said this young woman was the only one who cultivated the flower that made her worthy of becoming the empress, the flower of honesty. All the seeds I handed out were sterile and nothing could ever have grown from them. Moral: we should not feel disappointed if things don't go the way we think it should be. We should have confidence and stay honest and true, because honesty is best policy.